Hello, guess who's back? I took my sweet time before I started vlogging again, but you guys, I feel like I needed to do so. But the month of December was a very challenging one for me because I was doing the vlogmas and I didn't have much experience vlogging this often. 2 times a week for me was quite a lot, but I actually enjoyed it. And I was like, maybe I should give it one more try and maybe I should start vlogging this often in the new year as well. So here I am in front of you all in 2024, trying and promising myself and promising you guys that I'll do my best to share 2 vlogs a week. If I'm not gonna be able to do this, I promise it's gonna be at least once a week. I hope so much that you guys will enjoy watching these videos. It was so lovely that during the last few months this channel grew more than ever. It was something I was hoping for, but I didn't imagine it's gonna happen so fast. So if you recently joined the family, if you recently subscribed to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're watching these videos without subscribing, I hope you'll come back again and I hope you'll decide to subscribe and join the family as well. And last but not least, if you're here for a while, because I know that there are so many of you who are with me in this journey since from the very beginning. I feel like you guys are part of my family now. I know it sounds a lot, but this is the feeling for someone who's doing this for a while. This is the 4th year since I'm on this journey as a full-time content creator. It was quite challenging and beautiful at the same time, and I somehow discovered that I'm stronger than I thought. Because it was a lot, because it is a lot of work to do, and at the moment I'm still all alone. I don't have a team behind me, and for me, having so many of you joining me on this this journey, it's simply wonderful. It means everything. Okay, so I feel like I need to update you with some things, but not much happened since the beginning of the year. Today is actually, what it is today? It's Tuesday and it's raining so bad outside. And on top of everything, I'm going to London at the end of the day. I'm attending to an event organized by Lightiderm. For me, Lightiderm is a really beautiful brand. And now I'm not talking only about their products, but about the people that are working there, about the culture, about what the brand means itself. So I couldn't say no when they invited me, and I was like, yes, definitely, I'm gonna come to London and I'm gonna join the event. But I'm gonna be honest with you, the only thing I want to do right now is to stay in bed. But I know I need to have a very positive mindset and a very positive attitude about everything, because rain is not gonna stop me doing the things that I want to do. So the plan now is to find something to wear for tonight, because I want to look very stylish, but at the same time, because it's cold, I don't want to get ill. I need to wear something that is gonna keep me cozy. So fingers crossed, I'm gonna be able to put something nice together. Then I'm gonna take you with me to London, and at the event, hopefully I'll be able to film as much as possible. Other than that, I'm trying to think about any other updates I should give you guys. Everything else, all the news, everything that happened in the meantime, I guess you guys will be updated as we go in the next vlogs. So yeah, let's all have a wonderful year, and once again, I'm so happy you are here.
And the stats are quite startling. 1.7 million women per year suffer domestic abuse. And that's not just physical abuse, financial abuse, spiritual abuse, and everything else in between. Police get called out all the time. Some calls are when it's reached the tip of the iceberg. 14% of children under 18 have experienced domestic abuse in their childhood. Hence why
I just realized that I didn't have the chance to vlog anything, to say anything whilst I was at the event and whilst I was in London. I'm still in London actually. I'm on the way to the train. I should get there very quickly. I'm just taking underground a couple of stations, and I'm going home. But it was so lovely to finally meet everyone in person, and you guys, they are so nice, even nicer than on all my YouTube. Good morning, guys. It's the second day. As you can see, it's much light and much bright. Here is my Christmas blanket. I need to wash it and put it back. I just realized that I'm filming with my phone and I should look on this side because here is the camera. So it was a short night. I was so tired last night when I got back from London, and this morning when I woke up I was like, oh my god, what day it is. I knew for sure that I need to go to London again, and I was like, is it late? Do I have enough time to get ready? So here I am. I got ready in time. I'm just waiting for Marius to come downstairs because he's gonna give me a ride to the train station again. It's only 15 minutes walk, but guys, even though it's sunny outside, it's freezing again. So I made sure that I'm wearing all the layers again, even though yesterday when I went to London, it was so hot, so warm, and because I got confused and I kind of got lost, I had to walk around to find the location of the evening. So I got so warm and I was sweating when I got there. I felt so bad about it. But in the end, it was such a wonderful night. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the chance today to tell you a little bit more about everything about what happened about L'Occitane as a brand. But for sure, I'm gonna make sure that I'll chat with you more about this in the next coming days. I think Marius is here. Are you here, babe? Yeah. So yeah, we are good to go. I'll see you at the events. Here we go. Oh my god, I need to stop the music, to turn off the music. So Marius is a little bit poorly.
Jesus, I need to go to get a haircut.
Yeah, he needs a haircut as well. But I guess that's gonna happen on the weekends because he's usually like this. I'm like, go baby, go and have a nice haircut.
Maybe if I'm free today, I'm gonna go today because usually in the weekends they're very crowded.
Oh, so you are gonna make me a surprise, right?
Maybe.
I love the sun so much, but I can't wait for warm days, guys, because even though it's so sunny, it's so cold. I know I'm talking lately only about the weather on my Instagram as well. If you guys are following me there too, then you will know that I'm talking quite often. It's like I'm predicting the weather and I'm giving the the status of the weather each day. So yeah, go check my Instagram stories if you want to know how the weather is gonna be today. Yeah, hopefully the journey to London is gonna be short and sweet. Actually, it's not that short because it usually takes 1 hour, but I checked and there are some disruptions, and the train before this one was cancelled as well. So fingers crossed I'm gonna get there in time because I need to be at the event at 1 o'clock, and after that I have another event which it's at 2:30 if I'm not wrong. So I'll have to move very fast between the locations.
Did you get your running shoes?
I'm actually wearing heels, guys. I forgot to show you my outfit, but the heels should be very comfortable. They are very comfortable actually because I've been wearing them before. But yeah, let's hope it goes well. Always the most beautiful flower displays in front of the Liberty London. Let's go inside and have a look. Finished with the first event, which was the Pixi pop-up, and now it's time to go to the second one, which is actually a facial, and I'm super curious about it because it's like a skincare, a French skincare tool, which seems to help with skin issues like acne, wrinkles, scars, etc, etc. So I should get there in about 15 minutes. which is lovely. Here we are. This is the location of the next event. John Bell Croyden, I hope I'm pronouncing right, healthcare, pharmacy and skincare. Never been inside, so I'm super curious. So the brand recently launched, right? In the
Recently
UK.
launched in the UK, yeah.
Okay.
But it's been quite in France for a very long time. They've been researching it for about 10 years, and they also recommend it at the dermatology office, so it's something that's very well
Oh yes.
thought about when you're thinking about, you know, good skin.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. And then here on the jawline, you typically do it a bit more vigorously.
So you're very light-handed.
Yeah.
So no pressure.
Yeah. Just in case, because you never know. Some people might go a bit too heavy.
Yeah.
Everybody's different, isn't it?